Hi, this is Jerry Myron with RectorSeal, a CSW Industrials company. We're going to talk about safety switch condensate overflow switches and clean out devices. Consequences of a clogged drain line. About 1 in 50 insured homes has a property claim damage caused by water damage or freezing each year. The average homeowner losses about $10,234 per claim. This is important when it comes to condensate shutoff switches. Ensuring the condensate drain line is clear and draining correctly may prevent extensive damage to the home or office. A condensate switch is essential to a properly functioning HVAC system. In fact, the International Code Council, the ICC, provides the language in the International Mechanical Code 307.2.3, Auxiliary and Secondary Drain Systems. It reads, in addition to the requirements of Section 307.2.1, where damage to any building components could occur as a result of overflow from the equipment primary condensate removal system, one of the following auxiliary protection methods, that is, the condensate shutoff switches, shall be provided for each cooling coil or fuel-fired appliance that produces condensate. The IMC Code 307.2.3 Section 4 provides those three methods which to use water level detection devices. And the ICC is clear in stating a water level detection device conforming to UL 508 shall be provided that will shut off the equipment served in the event that the primary drain line is blocked. Those three methods are: the device shall be installed in the primary drain line, or in the overflow drain line, or in the equipment supply drain pan located at a point higher than the primary drain line connection and below the overflow rim of such pan. And for this presentation, you will see the three new Generation 3 safety switch products that meet the ICC water level detection methods. In recent years, the International Code Council added language to the IMC that now requires a dedicated cleanout. The IMC Code 307.2.5 Drain Line Maintenance. It reads, condensate drain lines shall be configured to permit the clearing of blockages and performance of maintenance without requiring the drain line to be cut. Why safety switch? Reliability. Its patented design, coupled with the rigorous quality control and quality checks, makes the safety switch the most reliable condensate shutoff switch on the market. Safety switch's adjustability. It's an industry-leading, one-of-a-kind ratcheting that dials in the most accurate sensitivity available in a mechanical switch. And safety switch's efficiency. The design improvements make installation and repairs faster and easier for the contractors. Now to introduce to you the first of our new Generation 3 safety switches, the SS1. Remember, the IMC Code 307.2.3 Section 4 provides us three protection methods to shut the equipment off in the event the primary drain is blocked. The first of those methods is a device shall be installed in the primary drain line. Of course, that's our SS1. The new design comes with a removable cover. It stays firmly in place with locking tapered cams. It also has an improved cleanout that fits snug inside the SS1 on either side of the SS1. It allows clearing of blockages even at a high PSI. It's a tool that clips onto the SS1 cap for easy storage. It has a ratcheted flow control. You can adjust the height of the float without removing the cap. And as always, the safety switch SS1 comes with a solid float that provides the best accuracy. And now the SS1 addresses algae with the new anti-algae design. It's done so using the convex bottom. That prevents the float from touching the bottom. The second method the ICC provides us as a protection method to shut the equipment off in the event the primary drain is blocked is in the overflow drain line. That would be our SS2. This is our new Generation 3 SS2 for primary drain pan's auxiliary outlet or secondary port. It also comes with a removable cover that has the tapered cams. It has a solid float that provides the most accurate float design in condensate shutoff mechanical switches. It has a ratcheted flow control to attain a more or less sensitive condensate float switch. and also the SS2 with the convex design. That means the float can now sit lower than the outlet of the device, offering greater sensitivity. And the third protection method to shut the equipment off in the event the primary drain is blocked is in the equipment supply drain pan, primary or secondary, and that is the in-pan switch SS3, also a new Generation 3 design. It has the easy-to-use ratchet flow control, it has a reliable solid float, and it has also a smaller footprint to be used in tighter spaces than the previous SS3. And finally, an improved clip design which now allows the SS3 to be used in either sheet metal or plastic drain pans. And also introducing a new product from RectorSeal that addresses the drain line maintenance is the SC1. It's an inline cleanout device for condensate drain outlets. The code says that it shall be configured to permit the clearing of blockages and performance of maintenance without requiring the drain line to be cut. That is the SC1. It comes with an integrated Schrader valve. Clear the line without removing the cap. It's perfect when using compressed air devices, such as RectorSeal's Line Shot. And if connection to a Schrader valve is not available, if you do not have the tool, it comes with the cleanout tool, which you can attach to a vacuum or a pump device like a Mighty Pump or the AC Drain Pump. And again, the cleanout tool can be clipped onto the cap for easy storage. It also comes with a removable cover that has the locked tapered cams, and it is also, again, with the anti-algae design with the convex bottom. RectorSeal and condensate management. RectorSeal provides a complete condensate management solution. The first is installation, and that is the safety switch products. The new Generation 3 safety switches has improved sensitivity and adjustability. The visible ratcheting enables more precise sensitivity adjustment. And our sensors utilize solid floats to prevent unwanted shutdowns that are triggered by air pressure that can cause the hollow floats to bounce. The improved ratcheting and float design minimizes nuisance shutdowns. The Generation 3 safety switch SS2 now allows a float to sit lower than the outlet of the device that increases its sensitivity. The SS3 has an improved clip design that secures the switch to the side of the pan. It can fit in drain pan depths from 1 inch to 2 inches. Installation options. The SS1 can install horizontally or up to an angle of 45 degrees. SS2, you install it horizontally. SS3, install horizontally attached to the condensate drain pan, sheet metal or plastic drain pans. Adjust the ratchet flow to the bottommost position, which is recommended by RectorSeal. And then the cleanout device, the SC1, install horizontally, vertically, or at any angle. And the wiring for the SS1, SS2, SS3, the switch can be connected to either the red or the yellow thermostat wire in series to the furnace air handler. The red wire shuts down the entire system. The yellow wire allows the fan to continue to run, which can help inhibit the mold growth during long absences. The second portion of the condensate management family is maintenance. You need maintenance because there is buildup from condensate. Algae, microbial organisms, and bacteria will begin to grow in moist conditions where water pools. This growth can show up in drain pans and drain lines as sludge or slime, creating odors and clogging the drain line. Monthly inspections and cleanings are the first step in buildup prevention. Maintenance products by RectorSeal. New line AC drain line cleaner. It prevents line clogs and leaks by removing slime and algae. It's safe for pipes, pans, and pumps, a 90-day treatment. We also have an AC pan treatment, AC drain pan and drain line treatment, a 90-day treatment. Prevents costly damage caused by water overflow and eliminates bad odors. Actabs EE and Junior. It's an AC drain pan treatment providing an EPA-registered biocide that eliminates bacteria causing odors and sludge. Maintenance chemical treatment is recommended every 90 days or as needed. The easy-to-remove cover on the new Generation 3 safety switches makes adding new line to your condensate line quick and simple. Final component for condensate management offered by RectorSeal are repairs. Tools necessary to clear condensate lines, limiting unnecessary callbacks. The improved cleanout tool, it fits flush inside the device to allow clearing of blockages in either direction on the SS1 or downstream on the SC1 dedicated cleanout using line shot or the AC drain foot pump. It is an improved cleanout tool because it has an O-ring that now allows for a much tighter seal. The cleanout tool is included with the SS1 and SC1 and clips onto the cap for storage. Integrated Schrader valve that's available on the SC1. The pressure force clears out clogged condensate lines quickly. Compatible with line shot AC drain line flush kit. The flapper inside the SC1 stops a condensate flow, allowing downline blockages to be cleared with no more than 30 psi of force. Why safety switch? Reliability. Its patented design, coupled with the rigorous quality control and quality checks, makes the safety switch the most reliable condensate shutoff switch on the market. Safety switch's adjustability. It's an industry-leading, one-of-a-kind ratcheting that dials in the most accurate sensitivity available in a mechanical switch. And safety switch's efficiency. The design improvements make installation and repairs faster and easier for the contractors. Here's a review of the new safety switch lineup. SS1 for primary drain lines, a ratchet float control, removable cover, and cleanout tool 24 per case. The SS2, a primary drain pan's auxiliary outlet or secondary port. It also has the ratchet float control and removable cover, also 24 per case. The SS3, an in-pan primary or secondary drain pans, also with a ratcheted float control, an improved clip design to work on both sheet metal and plastic drain pans, and a smaller footprint, meaning it does not extend into the pan as far as the previous version, and 24 per case. SC1 is a dedicated cleanout device for condensate drain line outlets. A Schrader valve, a removable cover, as well as a cleanout tool, and also 24 per case. Maintenance chemicals, new line AC drain line cleaner. Prevents line clogs and leaks. Removes slime and algae. It's safe for pipes, pans, and pumps, and is non-corrosive, non-fuming. Available in a 32-ounce bottle, 12 per case, and 8-ounce bottle, 24 per case. The AC pan treatment is an AC drain pan and drain line treatment, a 90-day treatment. Prevents costly water overflow damage, eliminates bad odors. The 200 tablets is available 6 per case, as well as 12 per case. And finally, the Actabs EE, the AC drain pan treatments, a 90-day treatment for systems 1 to 5 ton systems. It has the EPA-registered biocide that eliminates bacteria causing odors and sludge. Available 50 per case. Actabs Junior, AC drain pan treatment, also with the EPA-registered biocide that eliminates bacteria causing odors and sludge. It's designed for all AC systems, protects systems up to 90 days. Actabs Junior in a 200 tablet bottle is available 12 per case. Line flushing devices to clear out the clogs. AC drain pump, a foot pump that clears AC drain lines from debris and clogs in seconds, 6 per case. The Mighty Pump is a hand-operated pump for clearing primary and secondary drain lines and is available 4 per case. Line Shot AC Drain Line Flush Device. The Line Shot AC Drain Line Flush Device is 6 per case, and the refill cartridges in a 12 count are available 6 per case. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you for the next class.